What's up everybody, this is Dominic from CRS Custom, and we've done a lot over the last 33 years. I'm excited to show you what we got going on. With our technicians' years of combined experience, we handle everything from minor dents and scratches to major collisions that require frame alignments and wheel alignments so that your vehicle is restored back to new. As you can see, we're not just your normal collision shop, we're a custom collision shop and one of the leaders of this industry. To learn more, simply visit CRSCustom.com.